Hi, my name is Pararat, and this is my task number 5 and the last one about materials and lesson planning. So I'm going to present two lesson plans. The first one is materials and lesson plans to adolescents. It is focused in oral production, so I mean in speaking and listening skills most at all. Also, it has writing and reading activities, but as you can see or you will see, what skills I'm going to work out. So the topic that I choose is about giving or making an advice. That in this opportunity that the students can develop oral production, trying to express themselves, saying opinions, feelings, and ideas. About warm up, I consider to do this activity. Actually, it's a game called Name 10, which the students would have 1 minute to say 10 words or related to any specific topics for each round. So I will use a bag, and into it has paper with topics already written. Well, we must work with versatility as a teacher, so we can print the material, could fold and insert into the bag, or simply use post-it, write a topic, fold, and put in the bag. Well, with this stage, the students are preparing to require vocabulary and are motivated to be able to think quickly and to find words or find words necessary to respond successfully and live in the fear. The presentation from British Council web, I found a video of teenagers' conversation. On the right is Gemma, and on the left is Micaela. While they are talking about something embarrassing happened, which Gemma sent an ungrateful photo to another friend. And this one was sent to the boy Gemma likes. Now Gemma, is embarrassed and sad. And I'm fearing that the problem will expand not only at school, but at the mother. So the students spent 5 or 6 minutes if the students want to hear it again. So I given a link that they can follow the conversation. For the practice, I try to fix the worksheet that I present last task. I've removed the warm up, but I give all the conversation of the video and 2 points of the practice. So the first one that I present, they have a different type of learning. So the students will read and listen and understand and respond according to the understanding of the conversation. And they have 30 minutes to develop this material. I mean, the worksheet. From the worksheet had the same information that I put over here that I present in my last tag that I say. The next point, there are 2, so they have to develop just writing the characters that they done. And the next one, there are some according that they understood, match the word from the box in each blank in the sentence. The production, so according to the oral production that I want to work, they will discuss or make a debate about any experience if they have, or what will the reaction it will happen to them. So I give some questions, so they're going to debate maybe for 15 minutes. For the assessment, they have to create a video, each one, trying to explain to Gemma what she'll do, in other words, an advice, to evaluate the students and do nothing to give the test and give a piece of paper or a pen. just with a video, and then we can value the performance according to the preparation, pronunciation, grammar, mistakes, or whatever. For materials lesson plans to adults, I'm considering to talk about makeup or whole context that it refers, or just the aesthetic beauty, it to cover the skin with acne problem and way, as a culture context, how it started and how did the makeup before times. Would the students generate ideas and critical argument opinions? I will work with reading and writing skills, so you will see according to the material. So for warm-up, I want to share some pictures about Asian, about a musician, about person who had problem with their acne, also with men who really wake up, and invites to answer some questions. And the other point is trying to introduce the topic, so they have to learn some special word for the next activity. They have 20 minutes for that. For the presentation, so I also fixed this worksheet. I removed the warm up, and I fixed the reading with these 2 points for practice. So for the presentation, I give the reading. Also, I give that track of the audio. If for the students can follow the reading with the audio. For practice, they have 2 points. The first one, it's according to the reading. They are going to answer the question, comprehension question. And the second point, they have some blank that they're going to write down according to the black word that they are in the reading. And for production, for this stage, I invite them to meet in group or 5, include a person who usually use makeup. I mean, not just the girl. Maybe there are people who cover their face for a scar or acne problem. Even where I work, I have had LGBT people in my class, so they wear makeup and are very exponential and using it and talking about it. So this was one of the reasons for choosing this topic for adults. Well, the main idea is debating the oral production. And the last part, for the assessment, each one will answer this question, making an essay. So for the evaluation, it will be evaluate the presentation, introduction, body part, content, and conclusion. So the task will be reading. Well, thank you so much.